Hey guys, wanted to give you guys another update as far as the product's concerned. So right here we have the SparkFun Pro Micro and the RN42 Blue Smurf Bluetooth module. To have it connected into the power going to the wall, and we have the flex sensor that's attached to an analog read pin. So what I did is I exported a quick little simple game from Unity to like an actual standalone on Windows. And what I'm going to demonstrate is the Bluetooth being able to read, or the Arduino being able to read the analog and values and have those values sent via Bluetooth to the game. So if we play, oops, made with Unity. It's going to take a little bit to establish a connection. You will notice the connection is established because there's a solid green light right there. And here we go. You have like a steady state value of like 13, 12. It's because the flex sensor is not moving. But as soon as I bring the flex sensor into view and I start bending it, you see that the number changes correspondingly. And again, this is all wireless. It's nothing connecting the Bluetooth module, the SparkFun Pro Micro to the computer. It's being sent all through Bluetooth to the game.